Hello, dear drivers. Today we'll tackle a difficult traffic rule quiz. A driver won't be able to navigate an intersection if he doesn't learn to read these signs. Question: which car will cross the intersection first, and which last? Answer options. 1. Blue and red first, green last. 2. Blue and red first, yellow last. 3. Yellow first, green last. 4. Yellow first, blue last. 5. Red first, blue last. 6. Red first, green last. The correct answer to the problem will be waiting for you after analyzing the situation. Don't rush to look at it. Try to solve it yourself. Situation analysis. There is an intersection where 4 cars have approached. The yellow car is turning left, and all the others are going straight ahead. The intersection is uncontrolled, but there are signs that help you establish the proper order for passing cars. The give way here and a direction of main road signs make it clear that the drivers of the yellow and red cars are on the main road, meaning they have priority and the right to decide which of them goes first. Since their roads are of equal priority, they will pass according to the traffic code better known as the right-of-way rule. According to this rule, the driver of the yellow car has priority, as they are an obstacle on the right for the driver of the red car. Who will go third, and who will go last? The blue and green cars are on secondary roads, meaning their roads are of equal priority, so they will also pass according to the right-of-way rule. In this case, the driver of the green car should go first, but pay attention to the parking space and a direction of action signs. These 2 signs indicate that there is a parking lot on the right. In this case, according to the traffic regulations, when entering the road from residential areas, courtyards, parking lots, and other adjacent areas, the driver must yield to vehicles traveling on it before entering the roadway. So, the driver of the green car will be the last to cross the intersection, as they are exiting from an adjacent area. Therefore, the passing order is as follows: yellow car, red car, blue car, green car. Correct answer number 3. Yellow car first, green car last. Be sure to let us know in the comments if you were able to solve this test and your answer. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video with your friends.